Hello, viewers. Good evening, viewers. This is our first episode on how you can fix your laptop without taking it to a roadside engineer. Keep your money safe for yourself. As you can see, this is a mini HP laptop called Chromebook. As you can see as well, it has various components that makes it a laptop. And I want you to understand that before you can fix your system, you need to understand the components. You need to know the component that makes up a complete laptop. First and foremost, this you see is called the screen. This is the keyboard. This is the mouse pad. Unlike a desktop computer had its own hardware. The mouse is separate. The keyboard is separate. They are all external. But this is laptop. Everything is embedded on the system. As you can see, it is removable or detachable, but the keyboard is already embedded. In our next episode, this is just an introduction to our teaching today. In our next episode, I am going to be showing you the physical components of laptop. The screen on its own, the RAM, the hard drive, the CMOS battery, every component that makes up a laptop will show you. You will see it so that you can be able to fix computer yourself without even going to see an engineer. Don't forget, follow us on our page, subscribe, like. In our next episode, we'll do more than this. Thank you. Stay tuned.